enigmatic Mount Kailash, a place that has fascinated and mystified people for thousands of years. Mount Kailash is not just a mountain, it is a vessel holding centuries of history, spirituality, and culture. In today's exploration, we will delve into some of the mysteries surrounding this sacred peak, revered by many but conquered by none. Mount Kailash, standing proudly in western Tibet, remains unconquered despite humanity's relentless quest to scale every peak. Even though it is not the highest mountain on Earth, it has a unique status. Mount Everest, towering at 8,149 meters, sees new footprints on its summit almost every year. Yet Mount Kailash, which is 6,638 meters tall, has never been climbed. Why is this? What makes this mountain so mysterious, so untouchable? Mount Kailash is located in the Tibet Autonomous Region, forming part of the Sagarmatha Himalayas. For countless adherents of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and the Bon faith, this mountain is not just a physical structure, but a divine symbol. The breathtaking natural environment and spiritual atmosphere surrounding Mount Kailash captivate the hearts and minds of pilgrims and adventurers alike. In Hinduism, Mount Kailash is considered the sacred abode of Lord Shiva. According to ancient Hindu beliefs, Shiva, along with his consort Parvati, resides on this mountain, making it the spiritual center of the world. Devotees believe that the mountain is a manifestation of Shiva's presence on earth, where he meditates in eternal tranquility. The mountain's very existence is deeply intertwined with Hindu mythology and religious practices. For Jains, Mount Kailash holds significance as the place where their first Tirthankara, Rishabhanatha, attained liberation. This makes the mountain a symbol of spiritual achievement and a key site for their faith. Buddhists, on the other hand, view Kailash as a representation of Mount Meru, the axis mundi, or the cosmic center of the universe, often depicted in their cosmology. Tibetan Buddhists specifically revere the mountain as the home of the deity Chakra Samvara, embodying ultimate bliss and enlightenment. Bon followers believe that Mount Kailash is the legendary swastika mountain representing spiritual power and purity. The swastika symbol, seen in many ancient cultures, is considered auspicious and is believed to have originated here. The mountain's mystical reputation is further amplified by numerous legends and unexplained phenomena. Tales of miraculous events and divine interventions have been passed down through generations. Even today, those who venture near the mountain speak of experiences that defy rational explanation. Despite investigations by scientists and adventurers, the mysteries of Mount Kailash remain unsolved, shrouded in secrecy. Interestingly, Mount Kailash is not the highest peak in the Himalayas, but it is the most revered. The idea of climbing it is unthinkable for many, as it is seen as an act of sacrilege, an insult to the divine beings believed to reside there. Yet, according to ancient Tibetan lore, a Buddhist monk named Milarepa is said to have reached the summit. However, this claim is shrouded in myth, and no modern climber has been able to replicate the feat. Several attempts have been made, but all ended in failure, with some climbers even losing their lives. Whether it is due to religious prohibitions or natural challenges, climbing Mount Kailash remains an unfulfilled ambition for mountaineers. Another fascinating theory proposed by some scientists is that Mount Kailash is not a natural mountain but a man-made pyramid. According to this hypothesis, the mountain is a colossal vacuum pyramid surrounded by more than 100 smaller pyramids. If this theory were true, the Kailash complex would dwarf the pyramids of Egypt, with a height ranging from 100 to 1,800 meters, compared to the Great Pyramid of Giza's modest 146 meters. Such a structure would suggest that Mount Kailash was created by an ancient, advanced civilization, though this remains a topic of speculation rather than established fact. Geographically, Mount Kailash's position is intriguing. It is exactly 6,666 kilometers away from Stonehenge in the United Kingdom, as well as from the North Pole. Additionally, the distance from Kailash to the South Pole is 13,232 kilometers, precisely twice the distance to Stonehenge or the North Pole. This symmetrical positioning has led some to believe that the mountain is not only the spiritual center of the world, but also the geographical center, a place of unparalleled cosmic significance. There are also claims that Mount Kailash possesses a unique energy that rejuvenates those who come near it. It is said that spending just 12 hours in the vicinity of the mountain can result in hair and nails growing as much as they would in 2 weeks under normal conditions. Whether this is due to some unknown natural phenomenon or the power of the mountain's spiritual energy is still a matter of debate. At the foot of Mount Kailash lie 2 sacred lakes, Manas Sarovar and Rakshas Tal. Manas Sarovar, a freshwater lake, is revered as the embodiment of light and purity. In contrast, Rakshas Tal, a saltwater lake, is considered dark and ominous, earning it the moniker Ghost Lake. The stark contrast between these 2 lakes, one shaped like the sun and the other like a crescent moon, symbolizes the duality of light and darkness, good and evil, creation and destruction. The mountain's shape also contributes to its mystique. When viewed from the south, Mount Kailash appears to bear the Om Ayum symbol, a sacred sound and spiritual icon in Hinduism. The natural formation of ice craters and rock strata on the southern face of the mountain resembles this ancient symbol, reinforcing the belief that the mountain is a divine creation. Moreover, the 4 sides of Mount Kailash align perfectly with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. Each side is said to emit a different type of energy, influencing the environment and the people who visit. The Vishnu Purana, an ancient Hindu text, describes the mountain's western face as made of limestone or sapphire, the southern face of rubies, the northern face of gold, and the eastern face of crystal-like stones. These descriptions add another layer of mystery and spiritual significance to the mountain. Whispers of supernatural occurrences around Mount Kailash have been reported for centuries. Some claim to hear strange sounds emanating from within the mountain at night. One such account was documented by Dr. Ernst Muldschiff, who described hearing eerie whispers and the sound of falling rocks while camping near the mountain. Some speculate that these sounds may indicate the presence of beings still living within the mountain, or that the mountain itself is alive in some way. Tibetan folklore speaks of supernatural powers that protect the mountain and its surroundings. It is believed that the mystical city of Shambhala, a utopian paradise described in Buddhist texts, lies hidden somewhere near Mount Kailash. According to legend, Shambhala is inhabited by enlightened beings, and only those with pure hearts can find it. Some people even claim that Mount Kailash is hollow and that it emits a resonant Om sound, said to be the primordial vibration of the universe. Scientists argue that this sound could be caused by the movement of ice or other natural phenomena, but for believers, it is a sign of the mountain's divine nature. The mystery deepens with reports of strange lights seen over Manas Sarovar Lake and around Mount Kailash. Some believe these lights are evidence of alien activity, suggesting that the mountain may be a meeting place or even a base for extraterrestrial beings. These theories, though far-fetched, add to the mountain's allure and the sense that it is a place where the veil between worlds is thin. Despite numerous attempts to unravel the secrets of Mount Kailash, it remains an enigma. The combination of religious reverence, natural beauty, and unexplained phenomena ensures that the mountain continues to captivate and mystify those who come into contact with it. Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake the arduous journey to Mount Kailash, drawn by its spiritual significance and the hope of experiencing its mysteries firsthand. The path is challenging, the altitude daunting, yet the reward is an unparalleled sense of connection to something greater than oneself. These were some of the unknown stories of the mysterious Mount Kailash. If you ever find yourself in Tibet, make sure to visit this incredible place. Its spiritual energy and stunning landscapes will leave you in awe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us as we continue to explore more fascinating and little-known facts from around the world. Thank you for watching. And what religion are you? Please let me know in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.